Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a payments gateway in WooCommerce website. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to have already some gateway that are enabled with your WooCommerce website. So here, make sure that you are on your admin panel in WordPress. We go to WooCommerce, then we need just to go to settings, and after that, we will find all this payment field or this payments panel. So by clicking here, we will find all our payments methods or gateways. So there is the Stripe card processing. There are ones that are by default enabled, and there are ones that would need you to add extension. For example, let's search for PayPal here. So here I'm just going to type PayPal and search for some extension. And basically, you will find many extension for many payments gateway to add to your website. So depends on your needs. All you need to do is to add this extension and then enable it here in your settings by going to your payments and make sure to finish the setup for your bank accounts and your payments gateway accounts so you can be able to receive the payments from them. And then you will need just to enable these ones. For example, you enable whatever fits you, and then you will find them by default in the store. So if we go to the store, we go, for example, to this product, and here you will find all your payments gateways here. So basically, those are the steps on how you can add payments gateways to your WooCommerce website. And simply that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.